In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Google Tasks. If your Tasks sidebar looks dim or hard to read, and you want it back to a clean light look, the key is to change the theme. Where Tasks gets its appearance from. On desktop, Tasks doesn't have its own light or dark switch. Instead, it follows the theme you set in Google Calendar or Gmail. I'll walk you through both options so you can pick whichever you use most. First, let's do it through Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your web browser. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Settings. From there, go to the Appearance section. You'll see theme options for Calendar. Choose Light. After selecting Light, click Done to confirm. That's it. The calendar interface will switch to light mode, and because the Tasks sidebar inherits this setting, your Tasks panel will also switch back to light. If you already have the side panel open, give the page a quick refresh if you don't see the change immediately. This method is handy if you tend to keep Calendar open during the day and want everything consistent. If you prefer working from Gmail, you can do the exact same thing there. Open Gmail in your browser and click the gear icon in the top right to open the quick settings. Under Theme, click View All. You'll see a gallery of themes. Choose any light theme you like. Plain light works great, and then click Save. Gmail will update to the lighter look, and your Google Tasks panel, which lives in the same right-hand sidebar, will follow instantly. This is a simple way to keep tasks light whenever you use Gmail as your main hub. A quick but important note so you don't waste time hunting for a toggle that isn't there. On desktop, Google Tasks does not have a separate light mode switch. It always follows the theme set by Gmail or Google Calendar. On mobile, the behavior is different. On Android, Tasks follows the app's own theme setting. On iPhone, it follows your system theme. Knowing this helps you choose the right place to adjust your look, depending on where you use Tasks most. To recap, pick either Google Calendar or Gmail, switch the theme to light, and your Google Tasks sidebar will return to light mode automatically. Choose the route that matches your workflow, and you'll have a brighter, more readable Tasks experience in just a few clicks.